Hello everyone, my name is Utsav Basu. My roll number is 20CS30057. For this week's DIY project, I am going to disassemble a radio, as we can see here. So let's get on to it. As is required, first let me show that if this radio works or not. So I supply it with power. I turn on the volume. Then I'm tuning the frequency. So, as we have heard, the music is coming loud and fine. So, the radio is working. This is the antenna of the radio, which it uses to gather signals. On the back side, we can see that there is a switch which helps us select the channel, or better to say the band, which we want to hear, the FM, SW, AM and etc. Here is the power cord, and now we are going to open it. So here are the insides of a radio. As we can see, this is the speaker. This is a circuit board which controls the working of the radio. Here we have a transformer. As we know that the radio gets power through this power cord, which I have opened just now. It gets power through this power cord, and the power it gets is in the form of an AC voltage, which is as per Indian standards of 220 volts and 50 hertz. Now this high amount of voltage is not recommended to be used for the working of this radio. So this transformer is used to step it down to a usable voltage rating that can be used by this radio. This power is then forwarded to the circuit, to the main circuit board through these wires, as we can see. Now let me also open this circuit board. This is the tuner, which we rotate here. When we rotate this here to select the channel, this rotates this internal mechanism to actually control the value of the capacitance of a capacitor hidden underneath this, to set the resonant frequency of the AC circuit inside this, such that it tunes to the respective frequency and sets the channel for us. This right here is the volume controller. Basically, it's just a transistor which is connected as an amplifier. It gets the signal from the signal it has received from its antenna, and then amplifies it and sends it to the speaker so that we can listen to it. So that is it for the insides of this radio. Now let me pack it up. So here I have managed to put the radio back in one piece without destroying it completely, I hope. Now let's see if it works again.
हमें ऑक्सीजन के बाद ऑफ कोर्स प्यार ही है. It's more life right now.
So again, you see, there's news report here.
मेरा दिन बन गया। अगर ऐसी आपकी जिंदगी में कोई ऐसा है
So this radio works. Thank you very much. That is all.